Hey there, here's your workout. So you're gonna do this workout 4 times. I'm gonna do 1 full round with you, and then you're gonna, at the end, you're gonna watch this workout 3 more times, 2 to 3 more times, okay? So it's 10 of everything, make it really simple. The first one is assisted squats. I'm gonna do 10 with you. Keep your shoulders packed. Come all the way up, full extension. And then easy rows. You can make this as difficult as you want by walking your feet underneath the anchor point. Now you're going to do knee tucks. Take your TRX, adjust it. Flip over. 10 knee tucks. Stay in a plank. You can also scale this down. All right. Next one is a pistol to a row. Pistol is a one-legged squat. 10 on each side. Five, 6, 8, 9, 10. That side. 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10. Next one, bicep curl. There's 5, 7, and 10. All right, tricep extension. Stay in a plank. Four, 5, 10 of those. Next one is called a chest hug. So you're gonna alternate your arms. Here's one. Which arm comes over the top? You're gonna alternate. There's 7, 8, and 10. Next one is a Y to an extension. Stand up tall, starting a Y. You're gonna roll yourself back, then right back up into an extension. Six, 7, 8, 10. Last exercise on the round. Extend the straps back out. Active side plank. On your elbow. Arm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch sides. Just gonna flip your feet over. Yep. There's 8, 9, and 10. There's one round.